In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and configure a new app using Dropbox's App Console. This is a straightforward process that will enable you to integrate Dropbox's powerful features into your own applications, and I'll guide you through it step by step to ensure you can follow along with ease. Firstly, let's head over to the Dropbox App Console. You can access it by navigating to Dropbox.com/developers apps. This is where you'll manage all your app settings and configurations. Once you're there, you'll notice a button labeled Create App. Go ahead and click that. This is the starting point for setting up your app. Next, you'll need to choose an API type. In this case, we're opting for Scoped Access, which allows you to specify the particular permissions your app will require from users. It's an excellent way to ensure that your application only accesses what's necessary, enhancing security and user trust. After deciding on the API type, you'll see options for the type of access your app will have. Here, you can choose between Full Dropbox and App Folder. Full Dropbox Access allows your app to access all files and folders in a user's Dropbox, whereas App Folder provides a dedicated folder within the user's Dropbox for your app. Choose the option that best suits your app's functionality. The next step is to give your app a unique name. It's a good idea to choose something descriptive yet concise, as this name is how users will recognize your app when they link it to their own Dropbox accounts. Once you've settled on a name, go ahead and click Create App. Now that your app is created, navigate over to your new app's Settings tab. This is where you'll fine-tune the specifics of your app's configurations. Scroll down to look for the OAuth 2 section. This section is crucial because it's where you'll manage the permissions and authentications your app uses when accessing user data. Within the OAuth 2 section, you'll find an option to generate access token. Generating an access token is a key step in setting up authentication, as it allows your app to perform actions on behalf of a user without needing to repeatedly ask for credentials. Click on Generate Access Token to create a new token for your app. And that's it! You've successfully created and configured your app using Dropbox's App Console. Remember, each decision, from the type of access to the app's permissions, affects how your app will interact with Dropbox, so choose carefully based on your needs. Keep this video on hand for reference, and feel free to explore more advanced settings and features within Dropbox as you develop your application further. Thank you for watching, and happy coding!